Welcome my friends, I have an absolutely stunning Easter centerpiece. This baby is quick and easy and can suit any home. Let me show you how to make it. To get started on our centerpiece, you're going to need a wooden box that you can pick up at Dollar Tree over in the Crafter Square section. This is the one that I'm going to be using. They came out with these about 6 months ago and my stores have recently restocked. And this is 6 inches by 6 inches and it has that beautiful scalloped edge. You're also going to need some white acrylic paint. I'm just using some apple barrel matte white, and you want to take your box and turn it over. We're going to be using it upside down, and get a good coat of the white paint on your project. If you're unable to find the wood crate, that's okay. You can also use one of the wood plaques that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, or even just a piece of wood. You're just looking for something to add a little height and give some weight to the base of your centerpiece. The paint is all nice and dry. You'll also need a piece of floral foam. You can use this one, or depending on what you're using for your base, you can use one of the square ones. That's up to you. We're going to get this attached with a combination of Aleene's Original Tacky Glue and hot glue. You will also need an adorable little bunny. Now they have a couple different ones to choose from. All of my stores in my area have these moss colored looking flocked bunnies. They also have these that have glitter. They're called tinsel bunnies. Both of them are $3. They're a little bit different shape. You can choose whichever one you want or whatever you can find in your stores. If you can't find them in your stores, you can also check Walmart or Hobby Lobby for their flocked bunnies. They're very popular right now. And these guys are $3. The bunny is attached. So our form and base is ready to go. Now for our main florals, I'm going to be using this one bunch I picked up at Dollar Tree. And this was also $3. It's just called a mixed floral bush. They have several of these this year. I've been finding several different ones in different color tones. But I really liked the kind of white and light green and yellow. I think it's going to go perfect with our moss green bunny. So this is going to be my main florals. I also have some lamb's ear. This I did pick up from Dollar Tree, but I haven't seen it at Dollar Tree lately. You can also find this at Walmart. I also have some greenery filler. I believe this is maybe a boxwood. I don't have any tag on it. And some filler flowers. This is just called gypso. And I have it in the color white. I prepped my florals and greenery. To do that, I just take a bunch. I separate it into individual stems, and you want to leave a couple inches on your stems. You can always cut them shorter if you need to. Now I prepped everything except my lamb's ear. Once I cut all this, I thought I may not even need that, so I'm gonna wait. And all of this here came from that one stem, so I got quite a bit. I like to start with my largest florals, and that's these. I like them, and I have 3. Then you just want to start adding them. You don't want it to be too lengthy. And because I only have 3 of these, I want to make sure I get them evenly distributed. Now if you wanted to, you can hot glue these in. But unless you're going to go outside or you're going to have rough trips or something, there's no need to. When choosing your florals and greenery, use whatever is available to you. Try to stick with a certain color tone to make your centerpiece pop. You can always switch up this centerpiece by adding lights or changing out the bunny and putting a faux candle instead. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should do so. I have so many wonderful new projects coming your way this spring. For your convenience, in the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. I have all my florals and greenery in, and now I'm adding one package of these really pretty Easter egg picks. This is what the packaging looks like. You get 4 picks per package, and they have several different colors to choose from, so whatever color tone you've chosen, I'm sure they have something that will match. Just decide where you want to place them and then cut the stem accordingly. And here you go. I have all of my florals and my eggs in. Look at how beautiful this centerpiece is. Very quick and easy, and for about $15 to $20 you can make one yourself. I absolutely love that little flower I added to the bow, and the colors are absolutely gorgeous. By using that one main bouquet, I was able to get a beautiful variety. So pretty all the way around. No matter where you sit at your table, you're going to have a beautiful view. Now I did end up going and adding one more stem of this green hydrangea. I needed to fill in just a little bit more, but I'm very happy with the end result. Absolutely gorgeous, very easy to do. But for less than $20, you too can make this beautiful centerpiece for your home. You can always switch up this centerpiece by adding lights or changing out the bunny and putting a faux candle instead. Wasn't that such a fun project? Quick and easy, and you can use whatever materials are available to you in your stores. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please show your support by hitting that like button, leaving a comment, and sharing this video. If you're looking for St. Patrick's Day crafts and wreaths, you can check out my playlist right here. Thanks so much for stopping by. Your visit is always appreciated. You have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.